Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you all doing? Hope you're all well. So today we're actually replacing Rob's headlights because he wants a brighter bulb basically. And this is a 2018 Peugeot Boxer. So I thought I'd quickly show you how to change a headlight bulb on a 2018 Peugeot Boxer. And it should be the same for all the new model, so 2014 onwards, like Fiat Ducatos, Citroen Relays and the Boxers. I think they're all the same. So what you'll need is a T30 Torx bit on a ratchet, and then you'll need a Phillips or crosshead screwdriver and some long nose pliers. It's relatively easy to do. You just take the headlight off because it's a lot easier than it is to like try and fiddle about at the back of it. So I'll show you how to do it now. Quick disclaimer though, I actually did this recording the other day, but I lost the intro footage, so I'm having to do it now, so that's why you'll see the light change and stuff like that. But we'll get straight into actually removing the headlight and then replacing the bulb. So the Torx bits is for this part here. Literally that needs to come out. So you need to get that in there and undo it. Alright, so then that's literally it. That's that out. Nice and simple. So obviously put that to the side so you don't lose it. And the next one is down here, and that's where you need a Phillips for, or you can use like a spanner or something. I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and then literally just take that screw out of there. I actually forgot another screw. So the last screw is a Torx one again, and that's right here in front of me. So I need to take that out as well. And all you got to do after you took that screw out, so it's just 3 screws, and the headlight just slides over to the middle of the van, like that, and then just comes out. That's literally it to get the headlight out. And then if you come around this side, you literally, it's this one here, this is the main beam headlight that we're changing. Just pull the little cover off it. As I said, that one I've got wet hands. There you go. And then you want to pull the connector off the back. That's that out. And then you're better off with some pliers. And I'll go get some pliers now just to pull the actual light out, because it's like spring clipped in, where you get some headlights have like an actual clip that you kind of unclip it. But this one isn't. This one's just spring clips, so you just need some pliers on the end of the connectors at the back, and just give it a good pull out. So I'll go get some pliers and show you that now. Right, so I've got some long nose pliers. Be careful though, because I have cut my finger. So yeah, when it comes out with a bit of force. Yeah, so you literally just get the long nose pliers, move the cable out of the way, grab onto the back of the one of the connectors, and just give it a good like pull, and it pops out. That's it. And then obviously to replace it, we'll get the new one out. So that's a new one he's got. Obviously it goes in the exact same way. Just push it in, get it all in, lined up, and then literally push it in. That's it, that's in. And then put the connector back on, and then test it to make sure it works before you actually go and screw it all back in. Right, so Rob's inside the van now. We're going to get him to turn him on. Turn him on, Rob. There we go. Working. It's whiter and it's brighter, so jobs are good. And yeah, do you want to come and look? Obviously it's daylight, so you can't see huge difference. You can definitely still see a difference.
Yeah, massive difference.
Yeah.
So you happy?
Yeah, I think he's happy, but then you just got to fit the headlight back in the exact same way we took it back out. Alright, so again, you need to get the headlight in position and push it back across, and then put the 3 screws back in, and that's it. It's all sorted out. Headlights in, nice and easy job to do. It's a lot easier, and most fans, to be fair, just actually take the headlight off, but sometimes the screws are in a bit weird positions, but this one's not. But that's it. So that's how you fit a headlight on a Peugeot Boxer 2018 model, but obviously, like I said, from 2014 onwards, they're all the exact same. And I imagine they're the exact same for the Citroen Relay and Fiat Ducato as well. So that's it. So we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.